So this is the Binance Red Pocket codes for today. So we have the first code is XT MN 4KGR. Now let's click on claim. And now tap on OK, open. So as you can see, we've got 0.0001 SOL. Now the other code is 4ZCN 0B6U. Now click on claim. And now let's open. So as you can see, we've got 0.000894 shell. Now the other code is G5NYGS08. Now let's click on claim. And now let's open. And as you can see, we've got 0.00379 WCT. Now the other code is 60YZWX and 6Z. Now let's click on claim. And now let's open. And as you can see, we've got 0.00041 AVA. So the other code is UBYTANYLO. Now let's claim. And now let's tap on open. And as you can see, we got 0.00004 ILV. Now the other code is 4Z9UD5XR. Now let's click on claim. Now let's see what we got. Now tap on open. And as you can see, we got 0.0004072 big time. Now let's enter the other code. So as you can see, NVGU61VS. Now let's click on claim. Now wait a few seconds and tap on open. And now let's see what we've got. As you can see, we've got 0.0000236 baby or Bobby. Now the other code is Y17MN7LQ. Let's tap on claim and just wait a few seconds. Now tap on open and let's see what we've got. As you can see, we've got 1.5 BTTC. Now the other code is BOOUFGG and 9. Now let's click on claim and let's see what we've got. Tap on open. And as you can see, we've got 0.000044 XRP. Now let's try another code. The other code is L0GCEP9 and F. Let's tap on claim. And now let's see what we've got. Tap on open. And as you can see, we've got 0.0006 red. Now the other code is L9ORCZT and Q. Now let's tap on claim. And now wait a few seconds and tap on open. And now let's see what we've got. We've got 0.000138 virtual. Now the last code is H5X9 7L T and X. Now let's tap on claim. And now let's see what we've got. Now tap on open. And as you can see, we've got 0.01 knots. So this is the Binance Red Buckets code for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.